Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is 𝗀𝗫𝗀𝗃 from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on aluminium. MCX aluminium price was moving in strong uptrend from 200.60 level till 255.50 level on upside, indicate short-term trend is bullish. However, base metal price was moving in sideways range, witnessed an inside correction where the price taking middle Bollinger Band support at 230 level on downside along with break in its nearby resistance of 234 level signal further upside strength in the counter. However, any break above 235 level will surge the price further up till 240 and 245 level in near term. The price indicator is bullish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.